Hello and welcome. Thank you for coming to my video. In this video, I will be teaching you how to select a value from a dropdown using Selenium WebDriver and especially with Python. So there are like several ways you can select a value from a dropdown, and some of them which are commonly used are select class and action chains. But it completely depends on the scenario or the HTML code for that particular website. For example, I have this. So select will work only if that HTML for the dropdown contains select and option tags. If there are the HTML doesn't contain the select and option tags, then your select class won't work to select the values from dropdown. So my this video is particularly around covering that case when your HTML has some other tags like UL, LI instead of options and select. So in that case, you need to use action chains. And now I'm going to demonstrate you the code that you need to write in order to use action chains. So you need to define an object which will locate your element. This is for dropdown. Then you have to define action chains class and then perform certain actions. So actually this will select this value in the step dropdown, and then it will click that selected value. So this is how you will be able to select a value from a dropdown when the HTML codes are different than select and option tags. I'm gonna run the script now. So I'm considering this example from Aliexpress and came across this scenario while automating a complete flow, and then I came to know that you need to use action chains when there are limitations to use select command. So I want to share it with you guys so that you don't need to spare much time, and you can like work easily without any issues. So hopefully this tutorial or this video will definitely help you. But if you have any questions, queries, please feel free to comment in the I'll try to answer those queries or comments. So this is the state drop down, and now the script will select a state. So see, in the code I want to choose Kuala Lumpur, so that selects this. I purposefully exempt this city field so that you guys can take a look that my script is working here. So hope that helps you. Keep watching my channel and do subscribe it. We'll be posting more videos on like commonly faced issues. Thank you all.